As we bid farewell to Akio Toyoda, the CEO of Toyota for the past 14 years, we welcome Koji Sato as the company's new CEO. But what does this mean for Toyota's future in electrification? Will the automaker change its stance on EVs, or will it stick to its traditional approach? Let's explore these questions and more in this video. Toyota, one of the biggest names in the automotive industry, is about to experience some major changes under the leadership of its newly appointed CEO, Koji Sato. But who is this man behind the wheel? And what can we expect from him? Firstly, it's clear that Sato has a genuine love for cars. At a recent motor show near Tokyo, he was spotted laughing and joking with Toyota's current CEO as he expressed his adoration for a rare Toyota sports car from the 1980s. Speaking at the event, Sato declared that he loves making cars and wants to be a president that continues to create cars that embody Toyota's ideals. Sato has also spent over 3 decades building Toyota cars, including the company's flagship hybrid vehicle, the Prius, and a hydrogen-powered Corolla racing car. Sato is also a seasoned engineer who has worked hard to learn Toyota's philosophy, techniques, and manners. He is also a passionate advocate for environmental sustainability, encouraging the company to develop vehicles with improved fuel economy and reduced emissions. With Sato at the helm, many are wondering whether Toyota will shift its focus to all-electric vehicles. After all, the industry is rapidly changing, and competitors like Honda and General Motors are already focusing on EVs. Even younger companies like Tesla and BYD are enhancing their presence in the market. However, Sato's recent comments suggest that Toyota will not be abandoning its multi-solution approach to the climate challenge, which highlights not only EVs, but also hybrids and hydrogen-powered vehicles. Sato believes that going electric is not the only way to achieve carbon neutrality. He stresses the importance of taking a 360 approach to reduce carbon emissions, and this could include continuing to produce hybrid and hydrogen-powered vehicles. In fact, Toyota has already invested heavily in hydrogen fuel cell technology and plans to launch more fuel cell vehicles in the future. In a recent presentation at the World Economic Forum in Davos, Switzerland, Toyota's chief scientist Jill Pratt revealed that the all-electric vehicle strategy touted by many automakers will fall short of achieving emissions reduction goals. Why, you ask? Because lithium supplies for batteries are limited. Pratt argues that automakers must make a tough decision: distribute the available lithium among many smaller hybrid battery packs, or concentrate it in larger packs for electric vehicles. To illustrate his point, Pratt proposed a model based on a fleet of 100 internal combustion engine vehicles, emitting an average of 250 grams of CO2 per kilometer traveled. If the lithium were only utilized for a single 100 kilowatt-hour pack, this fleet of 100 vehicles would still consist of 99 internal combustion vehicles and just 1 electric vehicle, resulting in average emissions of well, let's just say it's not good. But fear not, Pratt has a solution. Using the same amount of lithium to make 1.1 kilowatt-hour battery packs would lead to the production of 90 hybrid vehicles and a greater overall emissions reduction of 205 grams per kilogram. This is consistent with Toyota's talking points, stressing the importance of incorporating hybrids, fuel cell powertrains, and even hydrogen combustion engines into a comprehensive approach to reducing emissions. And Pratt knows a thing or two about practicality. He argues that while a battery facility can be constructed in 2 to 3 years, setting up a new lithium mine can take up to 15 years. He also points out that experimenting with a variety of emission reduction strategies is the most practical course of action, especially given the unpredictability of technological advancements. But don't think for a second that Toyota is ignoring electric vehicles altogether. Despite outgoing CEO Toyota's skepticism about the US reaching its goal of 50% EV sales by 2023, the company is still investing in EV technology. However, Toyota's approach is one of balance and exploration, exploring both driver assist and autonomous driving concepts, rather than focusing solely on purely driverless cars. And while this resistance to California and other states calls for more electric vehicles has hurt Toyota's reputation among environmentalists, the company remains committed to a comprehensive approach to reducing emissions. Toyota's EV future is looking unpredictable, but exciting. As the new president of Japan's largest automaker, the new CEO will have the responsibility of leading Toyota through a full model change to transform it from a car maker to a mobility company. With Sato at the helm, Toyota is set to bring youth and innovation to the table. Will he steer the company towards an all-electric future? Only time will tell, but we're eagerly waiting for updates on Toyota's electrifying journey. Click on one of the 2 videos on the screen right now.